5 best motorcycle grips. Here is the product number 5. MX Handlebar Grip Gel Brake Handle Rubber. Features: 100% brand new, never mounted, high quality. Made of high quality plastic, beautiful and durable. A high density extremely lightweight foam handlebar protection pad. Sold with bar end, perfect match. Easy to install. Length: about 160mm/150mm with bar end as pictures. Here is the product number 4. 22 Handlebar Handlebar Caps Grips. Motorcycle CNC Universal 7/8 22 Handlebar Handlebar Caps Grips Racing for Barracuda Yamaha YZF-R1 R6 R7 XJR FZ1 FZ6. Made of high-quality plastic, beautiful and durable. A high-density extremely lightweight foam handlebar protection pad. Sold with bar end, perfect match. Here is the product number 3. Motorcycle Handlebar and Weight Handlebar Grips. Product description: Our products have a logo. 100% brand new and high quality. Item is easy to install without instruction. Material: CNC aluminum alloy and rubber. We offer 3 sizes of rubber. It is just like the picture shows. Ideal gift or treat for yourself. Fitment: for Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki, Honda, Ducati, Harley Davidson. Here is the product number 2. Motorcycle Handlebar Grips and Handlebar Grip and suit for 22mm handlebar with 18mm inner hole. Material: aluminum and rubber plug. Color: golden, red, blue, black, silver, orange, green, gray. Material type: aluminum and rubber plug. Item type: grips. Item weight: 0.14 kilograms. Item width: 2.6 centimeters. Here is the product number 1. Husqvarna Yamaha KTM Motocross Moto Grip. Brand name: Lizoi. Item weight: 0.16 kilograms. Item type: grips. Material type: rubber. Item length: 12.2 centimeters. Item diameter: 2.2 centimeters. Item height: 3.3 centimeters. Color: red/blue/green/yellow/orange.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.